In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Face ID on your iPhone with iOS 26. So if you want to activate the Face ID unlock on your iPhone, then this video is going to be super helpful. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to set up your Face ID, just need to open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit, and you'll get to see the option called Face ID and passcode. You just need to tap on this, and this will record your phone passcode. So just enter your phone passcode here, and once you're here inside the Face ID and passcode, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and here you get the option Set Up Face ID. You just need to tap on this and tap on get started, and you have to scan your face first. You actually have to move your face a little bit while you are setting up your Face ID, and once you're done with the setup, you just need to tap on done, and the Face ID unlock has been set it up on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.